Hi, Guru Gurvar. If you have a health insurance policy, or even if you do not have one, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Rajesh Attangadi, and I am going to take you through the importance of having Corona Kavach. Stay invested right through this video, and I'll tell you why this policy is definitely going to be one that you need to have. IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, has instructed all the general insurance companies as well as standalone health insurance companies to issue Corona Kavach to anyone who seeks it. This is in view of the pandemic that we are going through right now. Who can buy? Anybody who is 18 to age 65 can buy this particular policy, and it can be bought either as an individual or as a family floater. Children from day one can be covered in this policy as well. The tenure for these policies is not the typical 1 year. It is basically 3.5 months, 6.5 months, and 9.5 months. We do not have a 1 year policy. You may ask me, what is the reason of this half in each and every tenure? The half is basically the 15 days of waiting time when we take this policy. So that effectively means if I take the policy on 15th of July, the policy will be effective from 1st of August only. We have different sum insured which is available in this policy. It ranges right from 50,000 rupees to 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs being the maximum. What gets covered in this policy? Bed charges, ICU charges, the blood test charges, nursing charges, PPE kits, oxygen, doctor consultation fees are all covered under this policy. You also have a 2,000 rupees charges which is paid per hospitalization towards ambulance charges. The charges prior to 15 days of hospitalization and the post hospitalization 30 days. Any expenses that are incurred during this tenure are also payable under the claim. We can also avail of daily hospital cash benefit under this policy by paying an extra premium. It is 0.5% of the sum insured per day for maximum of 15 days. To elaborate more on this, if I have a 5 lakh rupee insurance, I would be getting 2,500 rupees per day for a maximum of 15 days. And coming to the most important question as to why do I need to buy this policy when I already have an existing health insurance policy? Your question is valid, but let me cite a couple of points as to why you need to have this one. Number one, the premiums are minuscule. Second, it's a pandemic and it's a pandemic specific policy that you should be having at least for this particular tenure. Third, let me cite you as an example and I will elaborate more on why you need to have this policy. Imagine that we have a 2 lakh, 3 lakh or maybe 5 lakh health insurance policy. That's our existing health insurance policy. And if I have COVID and I get admitted in a government hospital for 15 days, the bill would range somewhere around 3 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. Now imagine what would happen to our existing health insurance policy. The 5 lakh claim that we did on our existing health insurance will completely extinguish all our sum insured. So that means we would be left with nothing absolutely or any other health related claims that we would do from there on. So in that respect, this particular policy will come extremely handy to us. So looking at all these particular benefits, I am sure you would want to sing, "Go Corona, go! Go Corona, go!" I'm sure this video has added a lot of value and given you the information that you were seeking. In case if some of the questions are not been answered or you seek more information on Corona Kavach, do feel free to write on the comments box or in the description we have given our contact details. Feel free to write an email and we will definitely take all your questions. Do not forget to subscribe and share this video to your near and dear ones as well as your friends and colleagues. Till next Thursday, this is Rajesh Attangadi signing off. Guru Gurvar.